So here is a big old bag of poop. Hey everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos that I do every single week. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a similar haul to one that I did about a month or so ago. We were planning to have our girls a Christmas party for them and their friends. So I did a Dollar Tree and an Oriental Trading Company party haul to share with you all the stuff that we got for the Christmas party. You know, I got the invitations all made and I spent all this money to get them professionally printed. And I did all this stuff. We got all the invitations out. A lot of people RSVP'd. Everything was ready to go. And it was a few days before the party and there was sickness involved. So we actually had to cancel the party. But because that party was so close to Christmas, there wasn't time to reschedule it before Christmas. So what we decided to do is actually delay the party a little bit longer and have the girls a combined birthday party. Since the girls' birthdays, I have one in January and one in February, I thought we could pick a day kind of in the middle and then have a combined birthday party for them and their friends. So we're starting over. I really wasn't able to reuse any of those things that I got for the first party that I'm going to be using in the second party, except for maybe some of the goodie bag stuff, because even though it's winter themed, I think it's okay. But they decided collectively that they wanted to have an emoji party. So of course, the first place that we went to look for stuff like that is the Dollar Tree. I always go to the Dollar Tree first whenever we're going to be having any kind of a party to see like what basic colors or designs or party plates they have. And even if they don't have everything that we need from, you know, for a party, if they have like the basic things or the themed things, we can easily fill in, you know, with other things from like the party store. But they had a lot of what we needed. And I was really surprised that they had so much emoji stuff. They were just putting it out, so evidently it's something new. At least I've never seen it before. So it's evidently something new they're just getting out. They were getting out a bunch of different new party stuff. So I was excited about that. We got just a couple basics. So the first thing we got was just this plain emoji tablecloth. Well, it's not really a tablecloth because it's plastic, but table cover with all the little emoji faces on it. You can see that. So a tablecloth, I might go back and get another one because I may use it to cover up the island in the kitchen. I'm not really sure, but I got one of those. And we also got the matching napkins. Now they didn't have at our store the plates or the cups that matched. I have a feeling they'll get them in as time goes on, but I really didn't want to wait. So I did get them from someplace else. But I went ahead and got the napkins, which are really cute. And then at the time also, I hadn't picked up all this other stuff from Oriental Trading. So I wasn't really sure what I was going to do about like party decor. So I went ahead and picked these up, which I think is fine because, oops, I didn't mean to get a yellow one. Well, whatever. I got these little puff garlands because, you know, emojis are like yellow and black, most of them. So we picked up these yellow little puffs that you like poof out and then it makes a garland. So we got two of the yellow and the small, and I was supposed to get the big ones. I thought I was supposed to get the big ones. It'll be okay. I got the big ones. I got one in black, which makes this big poof. I can't, the glare is so bad. And then a yellow set, which makes the same poof in yellow. So those are really cute. And I also got these Emoji Tattoos. I thought it'd be really fun to kind of give each kid a tattoo to put on when they get at the party. And also this time, instead of getting the invitations professionally printed and everything, I just found a free emoji invitation online and printed them out at home on yellow cardstock. And I thought this was really cute. It says, "Don't be a party pooper, join the fun." And then I'm going to put when, where, time, and RSVP. But it's got the cute little poo-poo on it. I don't understand this whole poo-poo thing, but they are really cute for some reason. So printed these at home this time. I learned my lesson to not spend a lot of money on getting invitations printed when you end up canceling the party anyway. So I've got those. I just wanted to show you. They're really cute. And if I can find the link for where I got those, I will try to remember to put it in the description box for you guys. Okay, so everything else I'm going to share with you guys came from Oriental Trading Company. You guys know I'm like a broken record. Between Oriental Trading Company and Klutz, it's like all I talk about, and Disney. But you guys know how much I love them because they have homeschooling stuff, they have party stuff, they have gifts, they have home decor. So I always look at Oriental Trading Company whenever I'm planning any party. So like I said, the Dollar Tree did not have any cups or plates. So I went ahead and got these from Oriental Trading, even though they don't match, like they're not meant to go together. I think they still match. So we've got the Emoji Napkins from Dollar Tree, and I picked up 2 packs of these Emoji Plates from Oriental Trading. So there are 8 in each one, so I got 2, so we have 16. And I also got Did I not get 2 things of cups? Oh yeah, I got 2 things of cups as well. And they say like BFF and LOL and great and XO on those. So I got those. So all that, I think together, will be really cute and bright. So that is what I got for the cups. And also got, whoops, some goodie bag stuff. Now, like I said, I'm gonna try to reuse some of the goodie bag stuff, I think. I may not. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but we'll see. I may actually use that for prizes for maybe games or something, and then just give them this other stuff in the goodie bag. But what I got for the goodie bags, first I got goodie bags, which you kind of need. So I got a pack of 12 of these different little emoji goodie bags, and they're different colors, so each kid will have a different color. So I got those, and to go in the goodie bag, I'm saving the best for last for the goodie bags. But I'm really excited about these too, but like the one I'm going to show you at the end is like the cutest thing ever. So I also got some of these emoji notepads. They're all still packaged together, but they're really cute with their little faces. Let me open them and see, because I think they got, yeah, there's 4 different faces. So there's a little smiley crying guy, like laughing till he cries, just the regular smiley guy, the little blowing a kiss guy, and I thought there was another, yeah, Mr. like stick your tongue out guy. So I got those to go on the goodie bags. I also got, you gotta have pencils. It's like the obligatory pencil you have to put in every goodie bag. I got these emoji pencils. So there's 3 different colored pencils, but there's like little donuts and little hearts and little Mr. Angry Face, and there's even, if you can see, a little poo-poo, like little Mr. Poo-poo on there. Right there. So I've got pencils for everybody. So then I also got these little emoji like pullback guys. They roll and they flip. I don't know if I can show you this. There's nothing to show you on. Let me see. So you wind them up. Let's see if it'll work on my hand. Ooh! Well, you get the idea. I don't have a big enough hand. Where'd it go? They like wind up and then they flip, and there's all different faces. So there's the little spitty out tongue guy again, the glasses, and the regular smiley face. And so like the same faces that are on the notepads are on the little wind up things. I thought those were cute. And you know, we've got a mixture of ages. We're gonna have like 8-year-olds and 14-year-olds. So I know some of this stuff is silly, but it's supposed to be silly. It's a party. So that's gonna go in the goodie bag also. And I think that's all except for maybe some candy, like chocolate. And then my last thing, which I was saving for the end of the goodie bag stuff to show you, because if you saw the thumbnail, I had to get these. I'm not like big into the poo-poo thing. Whatever you want to call the poo emoji, I don't know what it's called. I'm going to cut these tags off because the tags are ginormous. But these are absolutely adorable, and they're going to take up most of the room in the goodie bags, but they are so soft and so cute. So if you have any little poo emoji fans in your house and you're planning an emoji party, or you're doing a class party or something, these are absolutely adorable. They also had the plush smiley faces, but I had to get these. So I'm thinking we may do, and this sounds gross, we may do the little poo cupcakes for the dessert, because, and I don't know yet, I haven't made my mind up yet, because I was gonna just do like an emoji cake or emoji cupcakes, but wouldn't it be cute to have the little poo cupcakes? Have you guys seen those? With like the chocolate cupcake with the little chocolate swirl and then the 2 little eyeballs. So if I can find a bakery that makes those, I may actually do that, even though it's not technically like the smiley emoji. I think they're really cute. I don't know why, but so they all have those. So here is a big old bag of poo that we're going to be giving out at the party. And then for some decor to hang around, in addition to those things that I got at the Dollar Tree, I also got these hanging, like these hanging smiley faces. I keep looking out the window because the birds are going crazy in the front yard. I don't know what they're doing. You know how the birds get nuts like in the fall and winter, where they just like get in big herds and then flock around? That's what they're doing out in the front yard. Okay, so I got these hanging decorations. So if you can see, they hang. I can't. Can you see that? They like hang, and then it has the little face at the bottom. So I don't know that I'll use all of them because there's 12 of them, but I think it'll be nice to kind of have them hanging around and be kind of funny. So I got those. I also got this huge emoji backdrop, which I wish I could show you. I may try to insert a picture because I don't want to have to unfold this just yet. But it's this huge plastic backdrop that has like all these different faces on it, so you can hang it on the wall. And I'm planning on using this for our emoji photo booth that we're gonna do. And I got these. If you saw the Christmas video, the Christmas party video, I got a similar thing for the Christmas video that we didn't end up using, but I got these for our photo booth. So it's these photo props on sticks so that the kids can stand in front of the little emoji backdrop, and then we can do all kinds of fun little photo booth stuff with these giant emoji faces, and they're already on the sticks. And they've got like the angry guy and the googly eyes and the thumbs down and the laughing guy and the little like guy, you know, I use him a lot. So all different little faces to use for the photo booth. I thought that would be really fun. So that is everything that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and from Oriental Trading Company for the girls' combined birthday emoji party. I think it'll be really fun, and it's going to be nice now that to combine the party, even though it's a little tricky because there is such a big age difference. I think with girls, you can usually get by with doing things meant for younger kids because girls are kind of easy that way. They're usually not too uptight about games or crafts or whatever. So I just have to figure out what games, if any, we're going to do, and then what little like activity, if we're going to do an activity or something. So I just have to figure that stuff out, and then obviously get the dessert and make the punch and decorate and all that stuff. But everything came from the Dollar Tree and Oriental Trading Company if you're interested in picking up any of these things. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.